If you don't want Discord to show that game you are playing or prefer to keep your activity completely private, today I am going to show you how to hide your game activity and turn off now playing status with just a few quick steps. Start by opening Discord. Now navigate to the profile page. For that, click on the option U, then click on the settings icon given at the top right. Over here, you're gonna find different option. Head over to the option data and privacy. Once in this page, you're gonna find different option. Look for the option labeled use data to personalize my experience. Under this setting, you will see a description explaining that if it's enabled, Discord uses your information, like who you chat with and what games you play, to personalize suggestions and show your activity to others. To hide your game activity, simply turn this option off and confirm your choice. Once disabled, Discord will stop showing what you are playing and your activity will remain private. After that, you can exit the settings and you are all set. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.